welcome back to my channel. This video is gonna be my fourth update for hashtag teamprojectpan 2020. This project was created by Kat and Haley. I'll have them in the description box just like always. I know I've been gone for a long while. I hope everyone is safe and healthy. Let's just go ahead and get into this update. I do have some really exciting progress on quite a few products. I've only finished one item since the last update, but I do have quite a bit of progress on a lot of my other items. I am going to be rolling new items in today because I know I'm going to finish some before next update. So we're going to do that. It's the middle of May. I do not know if I'm going to film one in June. I'll probably wait until the refresh in July, the 6-month refresh. Let's start with my first item, which is my empty. This is the Joah brow pencil. Finally, I finished this guy. I'm really happy to have finished it. It took me forever to actually get through this one, but it's gone and I moved on. In its place, I'm gonna go ahead and roll in the Anastasia Brow Whiz. I've used it only 2 times. I rolled it in like as soon as I finished that one. I used it 2 times. I did go ahead and mark it today. I am right here at this black line. I was like, have trouble with that. I'm right here. I do want to finish this guy, and I do like the shade of this. This is in soft brown. I find that because I have a lot of brow hair, using a little bit darker brow pencil kind of makes too bold of brows, but with a little bit lighter, it looks a little bit more, you know, I don't look as scary. Anyway, so this is gonna be replacing my Joah. Now let's go ahead and talk about the other products. And I've made some good progress. I am really happy with my progress so far in this project. For the first item, I do have my primer, which is a Bareminerals Combo Control primer, and this is, it says Milky Face Primer Balance. Not sure what that is. I do really enjoy this guy. I really do. I think I gotta be a little bit less than that because I marked it maybe like 2 days ago and I did use it today. When I introduced it into project, this was 33 grams. Today it's 13.39. So I have used 20 grams of it. It's supposed to be 30 ml in here. I wonder if I'd used 10 previously or what. But I'm pretty close to finishing it. And since I'm not going to film in June, I'm going to wait until July 1st. I figured I'm going to go ahead and roll in another primer. I'll let you know about it now. I don't know if I'm going to start using it before I finish this one, but I do want to work on this guy. Try to finish it by July 1st. This is the Hello Fab Pores Be Gone Matte Primer. Again, this is a primer that I do really like. It's a mini. I think I'm halfway through it. I have used it previously. It weighs 10.23 grams. I figured if I can get this guy out on the refresh, maybe I'll bring in another full size, you know. So I didn't want to pull in a full size and then at the refresh be like, okay, I'm going to change my mind and pull it out and put something else in. So I think this is going to work. In my head, it will work. Or it works in my head. Okay. For foundation, I do have the L'Oreal Infallible up to 24-hour fresh wear foundation. Last update, I was at that top black mark. Today, I'm at this mark. It weighed 94.45 grams last update. Today, it weighs 90.24. A little over 4 grams. I really hope to be able to finish it before the next refresh or before next update, which is the refresh, because I do want to roll in a different foundation for the summertime. It's a little bit more, like a little bit darker, because I know I do want to tan a little bit, whether self tan or natural tan. So I do want to finish this guy. I don't know if I can do it before next update, but I'm going to keep working on it. I've been working on this guy really hard. When I first pulled it into the project, it weighed 100.3 grams. Today it's 90.24. So I've used 13 grams. That's a lot for me, considering how slow I go through foundations. Next, for concealer, and this is a product that I'm so close. I pulled out the stopper, but of course I didn't finish it before we sit down to do this update. There's a little bit still on the top. Maybe I can scrape the sides a little. So this will be the second concealer I finished in this project. I'm really happy with that. I am going to go continue working on it, finish it completely, but I am gonna go ahead and roll this guy in. This is NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. I have used this guy a little bit here and there. It weighs 18.92 grams. It's not like I've used half of it or anything like that. I think it's still pretty full. I didn't use it that much, so I'm gonna go ahead and work on this guy. Next up, for powder, I do have two powders in the project. I do have a loose powder, and that's the Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder. It weighed 107.36 grams. Last update today is 106.06. 1.3 grams of use. Not a whole lot, but I'm using it more kind of like a finishing powder. I'm not using it to set. I know, like, when I use something as a finishing powder, I go through it a lot slower, and that's okay. This guy still looks absolutely beautiful. I do really like the finish that it gives the skin. Maybe I'm halfway, like, if you can really tell, maybe a little bit over halfway. I'm not in a rush to finish it. I'm gonna keep working on it. But it's going a little bit slow. The other powder that I do have is the NYX HD Finishing Powder, and I do use this guy to set under my eye and to like highlight like the center of my face. I've definitely expanded the pan quite a bit. Last update it was 39.10 grams. Today is 37.50. What, 1.6 grams of use? That's pretty darn good. I'm pretty happy with the progress I've made on this one. I don't know if I can finish it by next update, but I'm sure gonna go ahead and keep trying with this. I think it might be a little bit too early to repress it. Like, there's still some thickness to the product, so I'm gonna keep working on it. Maybe I'll repress it before next update. I don't know. Next up, for setting spray, I do have the Milani. This guy was brand new when I pulled it into the project. Last update I was at this black line. Today I'm a little bit lower than this one because I use it today. Milani Make It Last. I do really like the setting spray. I do have some backups of it, but I'm not gonna go ahead and jump into another backup of this. I do want to use a product that's open, and I'm gonna go ahead and roll that in. I guess if we want to talk grams about this guy, last time it was 56.66. Today it's 33.72. 23 grams. That's pretty darn good. I am gonna go ahead and roll in this guy. I'm gonna start working on it when I finish that one. This is the Joah Selfie Ready Setting Spray, and this is the Dewy. It's relatively new. It's quite full, but I just want to get some setting sprays out, some open ones. It weighs 86.73 grams today. Maybe I'll try to like mark it. Let's see if I shine a light. So nope, I'm still quite a bit to the top. It's yeah, it's not gonna be easy to mark. Oh, I see it. It's right here. Okay, let's do it. Let's mark this guy. So I am really close to the top. Anyway, I'm gonna be working on this one. Moving right along, I have a bronzer. My bronzer. This was kind of like, I filmed my update last time, and then the next day when I used this product, I hit pan. I was like, really? This is the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil in light medium. It weighed 11.62 grams last update. Today it's 10.75, and look at that. Like, once I hit pan, you know, it went fast, or it is going fast. This is probably something that I will need to repress pretty soon. I had to switch, like today when I used it, I switched to a little bit smaller brush. I couldn't use the brush that I usually use with it. So I might have to repress it pretty soon, but I am determined to finish this guy. I'm hoping that in the month and a half before next update, I do go ahead and finish it, and then I'll pull in a different bronzer for the second half of the year. I'm gonna keep working on it. I do really like it. Blends beautifully, smells good, all the above. So it's gonna keep going. For blush, I do have the Chantecaille Smitten, cheek shade Smitten, which is the elephant blush. I hit pan on this guy too. I'm telling you, I had some really good progress this month. There it is, a little tiny cute little pan. I knew I was kind of getting close because the elephant head was just gone. So I'm like, okay, I'm close. But when I hit pan, I was like, kind of a little bit of surprise. I was like, I hit pan. Like, okay, that was quick. There it is. It's beautiful. Again, this is a product that I'm gonna keep working on. Definitely cannot finish it by next update, but I'm gonna keep working on it. I'm enjoying it. It looks really beautiful. I do have it on today. Last update it was 25.05 grams. Today it's 24.62. So for gram references. For highlighter, I am working on the shade Crank It Up Pearl in the Smashbox Drawn In Decked Out Spotlight palette, which is the middle shade here. And again, I did hit pan on this product. I'm so happy with that. It was brand new. This was brand new. I think all of them were brand new. Maybe the Too Faced, it was kind of like a couple uses when I pulled them into the project at the beginning of the year. So I've made some good progress in the 5 months. There it is. There's my little pan. Weight wise, this still weighs quite a bit. This was 57.82 last update. Today is 57.55 grams. Again, this is something I'm going to keep working on, and then we'll see how far we will get by next update. For eye primer, I did have the MAC Paint Pot and Soft Ochre. Last update, this guy was 49.77 grams, and today it's 49.29 grams. There's not a whole lot left here, guys. This is like really barely anything left in here. I do have quite a big gap in here. It's kind of like smushed all the way to the corner. I know everybody says it, these are impossible to finish, they take freaking forever, and it's true, but I'm gonna keep working on it. Do like this product. I'm not sick of it yet. Sometimes if I'm doing like a look that is like, you know, I need a little bit more of an impact, like a color impact, I will use something else, but pretty much I'm using this guy all the time. For eye pencil, I do have the McGrath Permagel Ultra Glide eye pencil, and this is Blitz Brown, I think. The shade's Blitz Brown. Yes, Blitz Brown. This guy was 4 grams last time. It's 3.74 today. And just to show you on paper how far along I've made, like, my progress on this. So here's where I was last update, and here's where I am now. Again, this is something that I'm gonna keep working on, and I'm not sick of it yet. I do like it. I do like the color a lot. It blends really easily, so I'm just gonna keep working on it. Next, I do have the brow setting gel. I have the Anastasia pomade gel. Last update, this was 12.65 grams. Today is 12.55 grams. Honestly, I haven't used it that much. I use it occasionally. It's a little too bold for me, so I have to be very light-handed. I'm gonna keep using it. I don't know. It's probably gonna be like the rest of the year. All the writing is pretty much worn out on it, but whatever. I'm gonna keep working on this guy, and then we'll see until I get sick of it and I'm like, okay, I'm ready for something else. For lip liner, I do have the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Lip Cheat, Reshape, and Resize Lip Liner and Pillow Talk. To talk weight wise, this was 4.58 grams last update. Today's 4.20, and I've made some really good progress on it. So this is where I was last update, and this is where I am now. It's pretty, it's easy to use. It kind of like goes with anything kind of nude. So I'm gonna keep working on it, and I'm gonna get my money's worth out of these guys, like this one and the Pat McGrath eyeliner. For lipstick, I've made some amazing progress on this guy. I had the Pat McGrath Omi lipstick. Last update, it was 8.84 grams. Today's 8.60 grams. Look how tiny. Look how tiny this guy is. I'm so happy with my progress on it. I kind of thought, like, should I show you a full-size one? Because when I started the project, this was a full size. On paper, this is, I didn't mark it last time because it was barely any progress, but here's where I am today. Here's where I started, and here's where I am. I'm going to put it right next to one of those that's basically brand new to show you kind of like the progress. This is a red, but I mean, look at that. So happy with my progress on it. I don't know if I'm ready to roll in another one. this is not something that I'm gonna scoop out like the bottom of the thing as soon as like it's flat. It's just gonna be done, but I'm gonna keep working on it. It's still a color that I do really like. Here it is. It's kind of like a beautiful nude mauve color. The shade, did I tell you the shade? The shade is Omi. There it is right there. For liquid lipstick, I had rolled in this guy on 219. This is the Bobbi Brown crushed liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade, I don't know, something. So itty bitty liquid lipstick. It was 7.39 grams last update. Today is 6.89. I did take the stopper out. Now it's like, because I was dipping in and like 500 times to be able to get any color out. Took the stopper out. It's pretty goopy, but I'm being very careful when I put it back in that I don't scrape the sides. I'm gonna keep working on it. I think it's gonna be a little bit of a while, like a little while to finish it, and that's the one I'm wearing today. For lip gloss, I do have the Pat McGrath Flesh Fantasy Gloss. I finally let it settle all the way down, and I'm all the way down to here. So I've made, again, really good progress on this. Last update, it was 13.88 grams. Today's 13.52. I feel confident that I'll finish it in the next month. Like rotating with all 3 lipsticks, I'll probably finish it by the refresh time. For fragrance, I pulled in this guy last time. This is the Victoria's Secret Bombshell Summer perfume. It weighed 295.87 when I rolled it in. Today's 289.94. I was at the top black line. Today I'm at the lower black line. This smells just so perfect for this time of the year. It's not an overpowering scent. It smells so subtle but fresh and amazing. So I'm gonna keep working on this guy. And I rolled in, it's like the body lotion with it last time as well, and this is the Bombshell Summer Lotion. It was 199.71 grams. Today it's 112.52. I was all the way up here. Now I'm all the way down here, maybe a little bit less. Again, it smells amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and roll in another body lotion. I know it's this little part here, it's probably, well, it is the thickest part of the bottle. It's probably a lot of product in here, but I'm gonna go ahead and let you know that I want to start working on this guy. This is by Bath and Body Works, and this is the Fresh Sea Salt Mango body lotion. I am using the shower gel of this guy. I know I didn't film like an official intro for it, like the Graveyard. I'm working on the shower gel, like the Graveyard Project Pan, so I'm gonna go ahead and work on the lotion as well. Getting close. This guy is basically brand new. It weighs 240.06 grams. 2 more products. I feel like I've been talking forever. The Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. I rolled this guy in last time. Was it last time? Yeah, I rolled it in last time. It weighed 104.35 grams. Today it's 91.15 grams. I've used a lot of it, surprisingly, because it doesn't look like much. I used 10 grams? Could that? Yeah, I guess. So here's where I was last update. Here's where I am today. I do really like it. I don't, like, I use it randomly throughout the day, or sometimes like right when I get out of the shower, if my face feels like it needs something before I go in with skincare, I'll spritz a little bit with this guy. I do like it, and the mist is just so fine. It's kind of like heavenly. And the last product is the Drunk Elephant Vitamin C or C-Firma Day Serum. I rolled this guy in last update as well. It was 95.90 grams. I actually was able to mark it last time. It was all the way down to here and kind of like goes up because it's the airless pump. So today I'm over here, and today I weigh 84.84 grams. Or this guy weighs 84.84 grams. A little over 10 grams, 11 grams. So I think I can finish it pretty soon. Hopefully, because it's been open for 6 months exactly. So I need to go ahead and get going on it and finish it and start working on different vitamin C that I have. This is it. This is my update. If you lasted all the way to the end, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and hopefully I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye!